Hi, I'm Lebo Tshangela, and this is the 9th edition of the series Frontline Workers, where we talk to courageous essential workers who daily risk their lives to provide important services to the general public during the global COVID-19 pandemic. With level 3 of lockdown starting today, the work of petrol attendants has been crucial in making sure that essential workers have enough fuel to get to work since lockdown was effected on March 27. According to a recent report by Business Tech, the Fuel Retailers Association estimates that 70,000 people are employed nationwide as service station attendants. A retail motor industry organization's wage schedule for 2018-2019 shows that a petrol attendant earns a minimum of 5,250 Rand a month. Coming up in this edition of Frontline Workers.
I'm working with a lot of people. I don't know if other people are sick, if they're all right. I don't know. We just work. Maybe they must take more than 10 people in the taxi. Always, all passengers, they must use a mask. To put a mask for 13 hours or 12 hours, you feel hot, so it's not all right.
A petrol attendant from Johannesburg who has chosen to remain anonymous tells me what he goes through as a frontline worker. Having done this job for 17 years, Anonymous says he faced challenges at different levels of lockdown.
Like at work, my friend, I'm facing too much problems. First, I'm not safe there because of this disease. And we're not working full hours, we're just working maybe 2 days a week. So the money we're getting month end is not enough to pay rent, transport, and to buy food. So I think to me it's a big problem. I'm working with a lot of people. I don't know if other people are sick, if they're all right. I don't know. We just work. So anytime we can get sick.
Under lockdown, the hours which public transport operates is shorter and the loading capacity 70%. This made it hard for Anonymous to find transport, who lives over 8 kilometers away from work.
To go to work, sometimes we knock 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, so there's no transport to come back home. So those things, to me, it was a big problem. I don't feel safe because we are also handling money in the taxi. Some they got sanitizers, some they don't have. Public transport is very dangerous when I see it to myself, to my side. It's dangerous. Maybe they must take more than 10 people in the taxi. And they always, all customers, passengers, they must use a mask. And they must give us sanitizers to spray our hands.
According to the Department of Labor, employers must take measures to protect the health and safety of everyone in their workplace by minimizing the number of workers in the workplace, provide personal protective equipment, and screen workers for symptoms of COVID-19 at the time that they report for work. Anonymous tells us about the measures his employer put in place.
They just give us sanitizers. In changing room, we don't spray anything. I'm not feeling safe. We put a mask each and every day when we're serving customers. Then after, we spray hands to the customers, and to me again, it's what we are doing at work. To put a mask for 13 hours or 12 hours, you feel hot, so it's not all right. I'm not feeling safe because I don't know if he got coronavirus. So if he touches the money and I touch it, that's why I said I'm not safe. When I'm handling the money and machine, it's just the same.
According to a report by the International Labour Organization, the COVID-19 pandemic is having a disastrous effect on working hours and earnings globally. Anonymous can attest to this.
No, I'm getting less money now. They changed. I get less than before. I've got 2 kids. It's affecting me too much because food is not enough. That money, small money, I must use for transport. I must buy food, rent, so that money is too small. As I told you, we are working on a few hours. A week, maybe 2 days, sometimes 1 day. So that money, imagine how much we're going to get at the end of the month.
Some petrol station owners say their service stations were hit hard due to lockdown, and this has forced them to reduce the working hours of their employees. However, Anonymous paints a different picture.
I'm just complaining about money for pay. It's too small. Like where I'm working is still busy, they're making money.
For the next edition of Frontline Workers, you can visit sabcnews.com or at SABC News on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. For SABC Digital News, I'm Lebo Tshangela.